Tamika
and Cindy from
Sisters Saving You Cents. And today we are coming with what we bought at Harris Teeter Super Doubles.
Yes, this is our haul, folks.
Yes, now, I hate to say this, but we had some issues this morning. There were several issues that we
It took us a very long time to check out. 45 minutes, in fact. Yeah.
And so we want to let you know what issues we have and what you might encounter in your store. So we're going to start off with this. Okay, so one of the things that we did have an issue with was the trolley gummies. Okay, the trolley gummies and the sweet tarts. Now, the sweet tarts are in the promotion as well for the $10 Fandango movie ticket.
Yes.
These are $1 though, but the trolley gummies are free. Yeah. Okay, so the issue is the coupon is not doubling. The coupon does not say it does not double, so your store should double it. So no price. Shouldn't be no problem.
It's not going to be automatic, but they gave us so many problems with this darn trolley coupon this morning, and it said, it doesn't even say do not double.
No.
They ended up doubling it because, you know, whatever, but, you know, every time we go to our Harris Teeter store, they're changing their policies.
So every time we start to have issues. So just to let you know, just in case you have if you have a great store, you don't got nothing to worry about.
No,
but
they'll go ahead and double it. We do want to let
you know that it doesn't say it does not double, so it should double, and they should manually double it for that. Make sure you do 3 on one receipt and turn in that same receipt for that.
All together, they all have to be on the same receipt.
Okay, the next issue we had was on the extra detergent. Yeah, the extra detergent is buy one get one free for $1.99. There are Pilly coupons on the product. Yeah. At our store, they would not they doubled it for her, but they would not double it for me. Yeah. So it's possibly it could be free. It does say do not double, so they don't have to double it. But
it does double.
It does double
automatically if they just scan it.
If they don't scan it, then it's gonna be 99 cents. That's up to you. But I wanted mine for free, so I put them back. Yep. So that's the second issue. Okay, next is what today? Okay, next is the Utz chips. If you have the Pilly coupon for the Utz chips, they double it for her. They would not double it for me, so I put mine back. It does say do not double, so that's another issue. Yes. It may double, it may not. If it doubles, it makes them $1.14. Yeah. And that may go for the Tostitos as well, the same $1 off of 2
coupon. But that one does not say do not double, because I looked at it before I checked out. After Tamika started having trouble, I was like, let me go through my coupon so I know what I'm about to be up against. So
that should double, guys. Okay, and the next one is this. Now, the coupon for the, what is this? This is that $1 Pilly off of select brands of cereals. Okay, so the deal is, this says do not double. It did double. There was no problems with this coupon for me. So
to be on the safe side, we want to
just to be on the safe side, you have to know that this is a very specific coupon. Yes. So what I was able to get that was on sale was the Cocoa Puffs, and they were free. So there were 3 boxes of Cocoa Puffs for free for this coupon. Now, the next thing is that there is a $1 off of 2 for the other brands that are not on that Pilly. $1 off of 2. It's an SS62. Okay, you're gonna SS62. Okay, so they're buy one get one free. This is all the brands basically. The Golden Grams, the Lucky Charms, Cinnamon Toast Crunch is not included.
It's not. Ours was not included. Yours may be,
if you get these, they're going to be 80 cents a box. Great deal. I don't know why nobody put that, but it is SS62. So that's that. Make sure y'all pick that up. Okay. Yes. Now let's get on to the great deals.
Yeah. So things that we did not talk about yesterday specifically was this too.
We did talk about it. So this is the 30.
I'm talking about the water.
Oh, okay. Well, this is the 33.3 ounce that we talked about yesterday.
99 cents. 99 it's the big mama.
This is worth it. This is that $2 coupon that came out this week.
I got it. I'm just saying.
Okay. Now I'm not sure about this Evian water. It seemed like my coupon only doubled for half.
So it
didn't double for the $2.
Yeah, it doubled for $1.50. Now, on a regular day, I would have been like, hey, can you give me my 50 cents? But since they was tripping this morning, I didn't even ask. So because I didn't want to put anything back, I just went ahead and got the water.
So they're 2 for $3, guys. Now, if it's doubling for $1.50 and they ain't worked your nerves today, then put it back. It's 75 cents versus 50. I would pay 50 cents for 1 liter.
Or if they fix it for you, if you're like, oh, it did. Here's another tip. We watch when they're scanning our coupons. We don't hand them the coupons and like stop looking. No, you need to make sure you're watching, because if there are so many things that do not double, like we would not have known about the trolley gummies or the Evian water. This is something my sister taught me because she's been doing this a real long time. You have to watch.
Another little tip, because y'all talk about knowing tips. Another tip is I write down, when I'm in line, I write down how many $2 coupons I got, how many $1 coupons I got. Yep. So if something's wrong with my total, once I'm done, I can go through and count all my coupons to make sure that they match up. You got. So that's a little tip that you can do that'll help you out. Okay, next is the Downy. We did not talk about this. This is on sale for $4.99. The illusions are included. We didn't have it in ours.
This is the 60 load, folks.
60 loads. There's a $2 off of one.
It's the $2 coupon.
And P&G, and that's going to make that 99 cents.
Also, if you have the Evic, this is something that we did not chat about, I don't think. I had the Evic. Tamika did not have the Evic. They're $4.97. You do have the $2, so the same $2 for this one works for this one. So you can kind of figure out what you want. We love Sprinkle.
I got 97 cents.
This is the 10 ounce. Do you see this? 10 ounces. Okay.
There you go. Okay, our next is the Kotex, y'all. We had told you these are all free. There's all of them. All kinds. $2 off one coupon. They doubled, no problem. Everything was fine on that.
Perfect.
Okay, with the Snuggle, we didn't get the crystals, guys. Somebody took them before we got there. But we were able to get these sheets. Now, there are 70 and 80 count. I went for little frou-frou, got me a 70 count. They smell better. And the 80 count. Oh, go ahead.
Yeah,
and the 80 count. So these were $1 each. Great deal for Snuggle. Okay, there is a $1 off of one coupon for these. There's 2 coupons for Degree. The $1 off of one works on these only. That makes them 50 cents. The $1.25 works on the ones that are on sale for $3.50, making them $1. So this is the best deal, and this is on the list. This is 50 cents each, guys. Okay, perfect. Okay, this is another thing that's part of the promotion.
The big bags. So what's the ounce on this? This is the 14 ounce. They're 2 for $6, correct?
2 for $5.
2 for $5.
So you're gonna pay 50 cents if you get the big bag. But
if they're out,
yeah, you can still get the big bag, and it'll work for the Finago.
So you can get the smallest bag, which I did not bring mine up, which is like the regular baby bag from like the Dollar Tree.
They're $1.99.
They're $1.99.
Those too as well.
Yeah, those work as well.
These are free, y'all. Y'all know I went to the doctor's office, got a $2 coupon. So that is free. Also, the Imodium was free. There's a $2 off of one, making this free down sale for $3.99. They're on regular price for $3.99.
Yes. Oh, okay. Toothpaste,
Optic White, or Colgate Total.
Yeah, these are what?
$3.99.
$3.99. The $2 off coupon that came out this weekend. This is what you want to use. It's right there on the same page with the mouthwash.
Cindy had these.
Yes. So there's also Peelies out there, folks, for these. It's one for the Fanta, which I have Fanta. There's Fanta, and then there's Tamika had this one. So I mean, just look. Oh, we need to tell them about. Did you take a picture? Okay, sorry. Anywho, so these are 2 for $5, and the Peely that I had was for $1 off of 2,
making them what, $1 each?
They're $1.50.
Oh, God, good deal.
Yeah,
good deal.
I love them. I love the baby cans.
What do you need to tell them?
Oh, about the Fanta, but you can do the name.
Okay,
go ahead. Let's
Next is this is the only one, guys. The Nature's Bound and Peppermint Oil is on clearance for $4.97. There's a $2 coupon in something, I don't know, somewhere out there, y'all. Make it at 97 cents. I personally need these, so just check your clearance for Nature Made. They're not on sale.
It's a great time to get vitamins.
Yes, it's a good time to get vitamins.
Yes,
okay,
yes.
And the Fanta.
Okay, so when we were there, the Fanta, we did not get a price point, but they are buy 2 get 3 free. On our Fantas, there are
They're not Fanta. They're not Fanta. On the Crush sodas. The Pepsi products are buy 2 get 3 free. Okay. There are Crush strawberry, grape, and orange. All have a coupon inside of them for $1 off of 2. If they let you open it up, it's possibly a great deal. If they let you use the coupon.
Now, back in the day, they used to let us do things like that.
I don't know.
I'm not trying that now. Okay, but the thing is, if you have a great store, then more than likely they'll probably let you do it because you're buying them. It's just like using a Peely. It's like, hey, can I get my coupon out and use it now? And they used to always say yes. Okay. So kind of keep that in mind.
You know, this is just how it be nowadays. This is why we teach. Don't fraud, because you make it hard for people who do.
It makes it so. That's what I was thinking. I was like, it is so crazy because there are a lot of ladies. There's a lot of ladies in our area that do things they're not supposed to do. And it makes it extremely hard for people who are getting their 20 item limit, that know that are not trying to use the coupons on certain items that do not match. That's why we're so passionate about what we do, because we don't want couponing to end. Because that's what happens.
So just know, every time you do something wrong, you make it harder for people that do stuff right. I'm sorry that we a little fussy this morning, but we tried.
Like, we love what we do.
I've been doing this for 10 years. I've seen it change a lot.
Yes.
So,
do y'all remember when you could get overage?
Yeah. Do you remember back in the day when you can get some extra money?
Extra. Pay them bills with the coupon money. Okay. We can't do that now. Anywho.
Well, we are happy, guys. Make sure you look out for that trolley promotion. Watch your coupons as they scan.
Yes.
Make sure you get out here and get these good deals and don't let nobody stop you.
Don't let nobody stop you. We still did this.
All right, guys.
Have a good one. Thank you so much for
watching.
Tuning in.
Oh, and if you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. Y'all have a great Super Double. And
let us know what you get.
All right.
Down below. Okay, bye.